Assalamu alaikum students. As you know, we talked about paragraph writing yesterday. Today's topic is essay writing. Students, there are three main parts of any essay: introduction, body, and conclusion. We'll discuss these basic parts of essay writing one by one. Let's start with introduction. The introduction guides your reader into the paper by introducing the topic. It should begin with a hook that catches the reader's interest. This hook could be a quote, an analogy, a question, etc. It means that the starting of an essay writing should be very striking. कि इसको शुरू ही से रीडर की अटेंशन को कैच करना चाहिए और इसके लिए आप डिफरेंट डिवाइसेस यूज़ कर सकते हैं जिसमें आप कोई बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग या रेलिवेंट किस्म की कोटेशन लेकर उससे अपना ऐसे स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, कोई क्वेश्चन वगैरह भी दे सकते हैं जो कि रीडर की अटेंशन को कैच करे. एंड आफ्टर गेटिंग द रीडर्स अटेंशन, द इंट्रोडक्शन शुड गिव सम बैकग्राउंड इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द टॉपिक. The ideas within the introduction should be general enough for the reader to understand the main claim and gradually become more specific to lead into the thesis statement. Students, this is very much important that when you are going to write an essay, introduction should be from the pattern of writing should be from general to specific, and after introducing your main idea in the introduction, you will generally start it, and general informations so that will be given first, so that the reader should travel from general to specific informations. And let's try to understand that what the thesis statement is. The thesis statement concisely states the main idea or argument of the essay, sets limits to the topic, and can indicate the organization of the essay. The thesis works as a roadmap to the entire essay, showing the readers what you have to say and which main point you will use to support your ideas. This is in fact the main idea that you select as a thesis statement, and it will guide to your reader. It will give him the ideas that what you are going to talk about. So thesis statement is something that the writer is going to support throughout the essay. So it's very important to keep yourself on the right track when you are writing something in the essay form. The next part of it is body. Body obviously is very much important because it is the lengthiest part of the essay, and it may consists of more than one paragraphs. Obviously an essay has many paragraphs, and the body consists of more than obviously 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs, and one topic sentence can be stated into more than one paragraph as well. So this is the very important part of the essay, because you are going to give the details, research, ideas, and many other details that you want to give in your as your supporting details to your main ideas. So body के अंदर एक से ज़्यादा paragraphs होते हैं बल्कि. The body of the essay support the main points presented in the thesis. Each point is developed by one or more paragraphs and supported with specific details. ये डिटेल्स की हमने कल भी बात की थी कि डिटेल्स हम कहाँ से डिराइव कर सकते हैं. There can be many ways to derive these details to support your ideas, and these details can include support from research and experiences, etc., depending on the assignment. ये डिपेंड करता है कि ये ऐसे किस किस्म का है और कौन सी असाइनमेंट आपको मिली हुई है या जिसके ऊपर आप काम कर रहे हैं. In addition to this sport, the author's own analysis and discussion of the topic ties ideas together. Very important thing. It ties your ideas and draws conclusions that support the thesis. So body is the very important part of it. Let's try to understand another component of it, or maybe a device or technique that you use in your essay writing, that is called transitions. Transitions we discussed in our paragraph writing topic yesterday. Transitions connect paragraphs to each other and to the thesis. They are used within and between paragraphs to help paper flow from one topic to the next. We talked about coherence yesterday. Coherence is something that doesn't let the reader's attention drop. So this is very much important thing, and transitions play basic role in it, because transitions ऐसे words हैं जो आपके राइटिंग के अंदर एक कोहेरेंस पैदा करके रखते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक फर्स्ट, नेक्स्ट, इन एडिशन टू, etc. and etc. These may be in the form of words and these may be also in the form of sentences. कि कुछ sentences जो होते हैं ना, वो भी आपके एक पैराग्राफ को पिछले पैराग्राफ के साथ रिलेट करते हैं. So these may also be the transitions. These may also be called the transitions. So topic sentence in of a paragraph often serves as a transition. Students, our next topic, or the next part of the main part of the paragraph of the essay is conclusion. Conclusion brings together all the main parts of the essay. It refers back to the thesis statement and leaves readers with a final thought and sense of closure by resolving any ideas brought up into the essay. It may also address the implications of the argument. In the conclusion, new topics or ideas that were not developed in the paper should not be introduced. So this should be the conclusion. यहाँ पे आप अपने उसी thesis statement को support करते हैं finally, that you have introduced in the starting point or at the starting point. And supporting these ideas, you have to sum up everything, and this is called the conclusion. Students, for your help, this may be a format of the essay. In this way, introduction, thesis statement is stated in the introduction, and thesis statement will travel throughout the essay. Main idea that consists of the first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, etc. And thesis statement is always there. It is under discussion. It is being supported, and it is being supported by different sort of supporting details from different sources. And at the end, when you have put your complete ideas in the form of paragraphs, then you will move to the conclusion. And conclusion must be as powerful as introduction was. It should be clear cut, it should be precise, and it should be clear in a powerful way, powerful manner. Should be written in powerful manner. And this will be the format. This is the format of the essay. Gee students, so that was the format of the essay writing, and now we move to another book. It is Wren and Martin's Grammar and Composition book. स्टूडेंट्स मैं आपको ये रिकमेंड करती हूँ कि इसमें आपके काफ़ी टॉपिक्स कवर हो जाएंगे, तो अगर आप ये बुक ले सकते हैं या इसको लेके फ़ोटोकॉपी करा सकते हैं अपने रेलिवेंट टॉपिक्स को, तो ये आप ले लें. तो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस सम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ गुड essay, good school essay. The first one is unity. An essay must be a unity, developing one theme with a definite purpose. The subject must be clearly defined in the mind and kept in view throughout. Nothing that is not relevant to it should be admitted to the essay. At the same time, the subject may be treated in a variety of ways and from different points of view. So unity, as we have already discussed in paragraph, that is the very much important thing, because without unity we can't attract the reader's attention. The next one is order, and this should be a logical order. The essay should follow a certain ordered line of thought and come to definite conclusions. हमने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले स्पेसिफिक जनरल टू स्पेसिफिक की बात की है, तो दैट इज़ द ऑर्डर ऑफ राइटिंग, कि आप एक चीज़ को लेस इम्पॉर्टेंट से स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट की तरफ लेकर जाते हैं, तो इट इज़ कॉल्ड द ऑर्डर. It should not consist haphazard reflections put down anyhow. There should be not only unity of subject but also unity of treatment. Hence, the necessity for thinking out a line of thought before beginning to write. The next characteristic that is very much important, it is called brevity. And brevity should be there, obviously, that your essay should be in limit. The limit should be about 300 words. That was a thing that was in the brevity is all about length, and in the school writing, you know that there are some limitations, and even at this level where you are given the topics to write and within the limits of the words. So it is about the length. It should be it shouldn't be too lengthy, or it shouldn't be too brief. So because it should cover your points of view, and it should be in clear manner, and it should be concise, in fact. The next one is style. When we talk about the styles of writing may be different. For example, he has written here about the letters. Letters may be written in informal style, but essay is something that is not informal. In it, you cannot use slangs and colloquial language. It should be a sort of writing which should be concise, which should be simple, direct, and serious one. The secret of the clear writing is clear thinking. If you clearly understand all about your matter, you will never want thoughts, and thoughts instantly become words. This is a saying of someone. This was said by Cobbett about the writing, about the simplicity, about the directness and clearness in essay writing. Next, the personal touch. Personal touch can never be avoided. It means that the personality of the writer can reveal itself within the writing. So this is very much important. It can't be left out, and it reveal the personal feelings and opinions of the writer. It should have his individuality in it. Strictly speaking, as has been already said, An essay is a written composition giving expression to one's personal ideas or opinions on a subject, and this personal touch should not be lost, or the essay will be colorless and devoid of individuality. So do not be afraid to express your essays, your own views, and don't be content with repeating the opinions of the others. Let there be a note of sincerity in all that you write. So to sum up, an essay must be unity, treating it in orderly manner on one subject. It should be concisely written, not too long, and the style should be simple, direct, and clear, and it should have an individuality or show the personal touch of the writer. Three features are necessary in good essay: suitable subject matter, proper arrangement, and adequate power of expression. Where all these three are present, the essay will be a success. Students, that's all for today, and tomorrow we'll continue the same topic, and from the same book we'll talk about the classification of essays. Allah Hafiz.